players are ready to go. The match is about to get underway. With the kickoff, the match has begun. Oh. Denied by the post again. That's a fine header. That goal was one of a kind. Fantastic. He shot the ball from the ground. He returned the ball brilliantly. He's constantly got hats off to that amazing goal. What an amazing goal. Right into the back of the net. He's trying to mount an offence by juggling the ball. He's gifted a goal to his opponent. He tries another low shot. The match is 3-2. Both players are going at it hard. He aims for the top corner. This time he scored with his head. He's scored plenty from there before. What a shot that was. He's sending high ball. He lit up the goal with that kick. He's trying to score. That goal was one of a kind. Fantastic. He's like a fortress now. The fans are going wild. Perfect strike. The first 45 seconds have gone. The gap is quite small and it can still be an amazing header. One goal will bring the score level. He sees the goal and shoots. Bounced off the goalpost. A nice header. The last 30 seconds of the game. Goal! He's aiming for where the goalposts meet. Things got out of hand. He knocked his opponent out. He bounced the ball off his goalpost. The ball is in his own net. He shot the ball towards the upper crossbar. The ball meets the net. He's playing against Sub-Zero. Suddenly he became a giant player. We're almost at the end here. Well, this is how you use the giant player power. A good shot will bring a goal. Incredible goal. Brilliant. Double goal is used. Nice shot. The crossbar is and with the final whistle, the match has come to an end.